Hey guys, so today I have my Sephora Savings Event haul. Now normally during this sale I go crazy, but for this sale I actually did not buy as much as I normally do. Now don't get me wrong, I still did get a good chunk of things, but not as much as I normally do get. I did not go crazy and I gave myself a lower budget. So everything I bought is nothing that I needed. It's just things that I wanted, things that I decided to splurge on. But the first item I would say it is something that I needed because I did run out. I just really love this one and it was a great deal. Is from Drunk Elephant, and this is their little holiday pack or gift pack that they have, and this is the Proteiny Polypeptide Moisturizer, and this was $88 plus the 20% off. It basically comes with two of them, the refill and then a whole moisturizer, so that's super nice. So this alone is normally $69, so I got this plus the refill that is $60 alone, both for $88. So that's a pretty good deal, and I could not pass that up because I really love this moisturizer. This moisturizer is great for uneven texture, loss of firmness, elasticity. It provides an excellent source of antioxidants and nutrients to replenish the skin, and it is extremely moisturizing. I love this stuff. All right, next skincare product. I actually got this online because they didn't have it in store, but it's the new Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Jelly Sheet Mask, and this is supposed to help hydrate and soothe your skin. I am a sucker for sheet masks. I love them, especially the jelly ones, because it instantly gives like a nice soothing, cooling effect. So I like to get stuff like this on a me day, relaxing day, or like if I'm planning to go out and I want to do like a full beautiful face of makeup, I'll put this on in the morning time so my face is nice and plump and ready for makeup. Love it. So this mask has watermelon extract, which is going to help hydrate and deliver essential vitamins and amino acids and visibly brighten your skin. It also has hyaluronic acid, so super hydrating. This was $8. So the next product I got is from First Aid Beauty, and this is the Whole Body Deodorant Cream, and it is a 24-hour odor control aluminum-free deodorant that is safe for sensitive skin. This has like a fresh citrus scent, so it's very subtle. It'll keep your underarms feeling nice and dry and fresh, and that is something that I need. It has odor fighting AHAs and niacinamide and glycerin in there, so it's going to give you a nice non-greasy feel, because some deodorants can be pretty greasy feeling, and that AHA is supposed to help fight the odor. So I'm really excited to try this out. I really hope that that 24-hour claim is true, because you know, some days I just get a little sweaty, and this will help me with that. So I got another deodorant because I'm on a hunt for a very good deodorant. So I've been using the Each and Every deodorant from Ulta, and I've actually been really liking that one, but I feel like it doesn't keep the odors from coming through for that long of a time. So I'm obviously on the hunt for a good deodorant. So I got another one, and this is from Sol de Janeiro, and this is the Rio Deo. So this is an aluminum-free deodorant, which is my main thing now. I just want deodorant that's aluminum-free, more natural. And this one is in the scent number 40. I love that scent. It smells so good. So that is definitely one of the reasons why I bought this one, because that is one of my favorite scents. And the smell is black amber, plum, and vanilla woods. So it has a nice warm scent to it. Twist off. It smells so good, but that's the deodorant. Nothing special, looks like any other regular deodorant. This one I also think is refillable, so if you run out, you can toss out the inside and refill it, which is nice. Anyways, this deodorant has citric acid in it, so it's going to help block body odors and enzymes and that bacteria that gives you that icky scent. It also has papaya enzymes to help exfoliate, remove any dead skin cells, and tapioca starch to help absorb any moisture. I'm really looking forward to trying this one out. Hopefully it's great. It holds up any bad odors because we don't want to smell bad. Another product I got is a body product, and it is from Rare Beauty. And this is the Find Comfort Mini Lotion and Fragrance Set. I have this full-size lotion and it smells so good. I love it. But when I saw that this set came out, I had to buy it because it has the Find Comfort Eau de Perfume. So this is new from Rare Beauty. It is that same lovely, relaxing, staying at home. A candle is lit, the fireplace is lit, everything is nice and calm. Ugh, just that's the vibes that this gives me. Just a super relaxing scent. I love it. So it has notes of lemon zest, rhubarb, jasmine petals, cashmere wood, tonka beans. It's just a really nice scent, nothing overpowering. I love it. And the lotion has the same scent, but look at this little mini lotion. So I have the big size now. I have a little travel size I could throw in my purse or when I go traveling. If they make a big bottle of this, I'll definitely be buying it. And I got way too many primers, but I've been kind of on a primer kick. I'm trying to find something amazing for my skin, help my makeup last. I saw this little gift set, so of course I had to get it because it was $25 for 2 of the mini Milk makeup primers, and one of them is the OG Milk Hydra Grip Primer, and then their new Grip and Glow Primer. Hydra Grip Primer. This is the mini size. It is a 0.33 fluid ounce. The main reason why I wanted it is because of this and is the Grip and Glow Primer. Look at how glowy and beautiful that is. And I love a good glowy base, so if I could have like a glowy primer underneath my makeup, like I'm all for it. That is just such a beautiful color. I have not tried this one out, so I can't wait to see how it performs under makeup. It also has like that nice grip sticky feel like the original Milk makeup primer. The next primer I got is also from Milk Makeup, and this is the Pore Eclipse Matte Blur Stick Primer. Now normally I don't love a matte primer, however I was feeling this one in the store and it definitely has like a nice blurring feel to it. So I do have some pore issues and I like to always wear some type of pore filler or something to help blur the pores and then a little bit of shine on the forehead, and this one had great reviews. And it also just feels super nice on the skin. It's not heavy, but you just apply it and just blurs everything out. And that is what I need, especially in the pore area. And that's what it looks like. Look at that. So it is a mattifying blur stick made with niacinamide and bakuchiol to instantly cut, shine, and blur pores for a soft focus finish. So again, super excited to see how this works with makeup. I got another little kit and it is from the brand Refi, and this comes with the face primer Glow and Sculpt. I've been seeing this all over the internet since it launched and I have been wanting to try it. This is only a half fluid ounce, so not the full size, and that's okay with me because I already have so many primers, so a small primer is okay for me to just try out and see how it goes. So this is just clear, it says, and here is the packaging. It looks like full size. Here is that very popular, you know, interesting applicator that I have seen all over the internet, and I thought it would be cooling, but it's not. It's just like a little rubber plastic piece. Anyways, this face primer is supposed to help your makeup glow, last longer, and sculpt the face. So maybe this little thing is supposed to help sculpt the face. I don't know. And then also the brow sculptor. So this I'm actually really excited about because I love a good product that's going to keep those brows in place. Here is the applicator. This is the mini size. Super excited to try these out. Oh, this is supposed to be a massager. So you're supposed to like massage the primer into the skin. Interesting. I only got 2 blushes, which is still too much. I am an addict when it comes to blushes. So this is the Cali Ray Blurry Blush, and this is a cream blush. I got mine in the shade Dope. And this is just a stunning shade. So here is that packaging. It has the doe foot applicator, and here is the shade Dope. Like, look at that. I love this. I've been really into like the mauve pink blushes. Normally I love like a cool tone blush, but The mauves have been my favorite lately. Now, this product is buildable, long wear, and it gives a blurring effect, so it's going to smooth out pores. It's going to help minimize the appearance of pores. It has that kaolin clay, so it's going to be blurring and mattifying. So it has copper peptides, niacinamide, and Persian skin tree extract to enhance collagen. So it is a skin boosting and conditioning blush. So that's pretty cool. There's skincare benefits in there. So what made me want to buy this really bad was just the videos I've seen on how long wearing it is and how beautiful it just looks on the skin. And like I was saying, I have bigger pores, so I love a beautiful blurring blush. I also love a glowy blush too, but if it's gonna help blur out the texture, I'm about it. The next blush I got is from Huda Beauty, and this is the Blush Filter Icy Nude blush in the shade Latte. Now, I have been obsessed with these blush colors that can be a blush, but also for my lighter complexion can work as like a bronzer. Here is the packaging. Stunning. Oh, it smells nice. Here is the applicator. So look how beautiful this blush is. Like, look at that. This can definitely work as like a bronzer for me and a blush. So it's like a 2-in-1 for like my skin tone. Look how stunning that is. I cannot wait to try this product out. Now let's learn a little bit about this product. This is a lightweight liquid blush with buildable pigments and finely milled micro pearls for a soft focus, high impact glow. And it has a little bit of sheen to it to give that beautiful glow. And it's supposed to give a beautiful airbrushed finish and has a yummy candy scent. And I definitely smelled like some type of fruity scent. Cannot wait to try that out as a blush and bronzer. This was the last product I threw into my cart at Sephora, but I saw it and I just had to have it. This is the Sun Shift Cream Bronzer from the brand Ilia, and I got mine in the shade Ray. I think there was like 4 shades, but this was the lightest one. This felt so nice on the skin and looked so beautiful. Here's what it looks like. Definitely a splurge, nothing I needed. Oh, it's just so beautiful, and it is a cream product. So when I touched it at the store and I swatched it, it has this beautiful like iridescent glow to it. And I love a product like this, especially on the face. Like if I'm not wearing any foundation, I just want to bronze up the skin a little bit. I anticipate this to give me just that beautiful sun-kissed, like all year round tan. And that is why I bought this, because I want it to be like a beautiful no makeup day where I just look like I've been in the sun. So this is a 12-hour wear bronzer. It has green tea and microalgae to help shield the skin from pollution. It has plant-based squalene to seal in that moisture and boost the look of elasticity without clogging the pores, and a skin shift technology, which I can definitely see because it just looks like skin. All right, last product, another product I didn't need, but I had to have, and it is the Dior Forever Skin Perfect Stick Foundation, and I got mine in the shade 2N Neutral. Look at this stunning packaging. I love me a good stick foundation, and when I saw that Dior came out with this, I had to pick it up. I also wanted to get the contour because they have like a contour that they came out with too, but I decided to not get that and just get this one. A lot of Dior products I've bought never disappoint, so I'm always willing to spend it if it's gonna be good. So here is the shade 2N Neutral. It looks light on my hand, but it matches my face because I matched myself in the store. Oh, I think it has a scent to it. It definitely has like a fragrance to it, but I feel like a lot of Dior products do that. So let's read about this foundation. This states that is a 24-hour multi-use stick foundation. It has a natural finish. It is a buildable foundation that glides smoothly, and it definitely did. It has a nice smooth feel to it. It was easy to apply. It's not stiff, doesn't tug at the skin when I applied it. Event. So it has a heat and humidity resistant formula, gives a nice blurring filter. You can use it as a foundation, a concealer, or something just to touch up as you go. Doesn't show any like special ingredients that they put in there. I can definitely see as I'm like blending it in, it gives a nice blur to the skin. I cannot wait to see how this looks on my skin. So that is everything I got during this Sephora Savings event. Thank you for watching my Sephora haul. Please give this video a thumbs up. It will help me so much, and I will see you in the next video.